Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add scrolling text in CapCut. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you the steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to add scrolling text on a CapCut easily, okay? So now I'm going to go to my phone and I'm going to open CapCut. Okay, so I just added this black picture and I'm going to add a text right now on it. Let's go to text, then add text, and I'm gonna write anything. For example, hi. I'm gonna write how are you? You good? Thanks. Okay, thanks. I'm writing anything. Okay, so now I need to show you how you can be able to make this text scrolling, okay? So what you need to do is to select your text, then you're gonna find this plus button here. Let's click on it. And we're gonna do the same thing here. Let's go back to this place. That's it. And let's put it here below. And let's come here and let's put it here. Okay, now let's see all the video. As you can see, it's scrolled. Now we made the text scroll in, and as I told you, it's not something difficult. All you need to do is to go from the beginning and select a frame, and then go to the end of the text and select another frame. And this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.